What am I gonna wear? I think I'll go with a cardigan.
Hello music and finance enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating collaboration that merges the worlds of pop sensation Taylor Swift and financial giants Capital One. This is Credit Card Central, and in this video we'll explore the intriguing reasons behind Taylor Swift's decision to partner with Capital One. From the world of melodies to the realm of credit cards, it's a collaboration that has caught many by surprise. Let's unpack the story behind this harmonious partnership. At first glance, the collaboration between Taylor Swift and Capital One might seem like an unexpected pairing. However, a deeper look reveals the power of brand synergy. Taylor Swift, known for her influence on pop culture and her massive fan base, brings a fresh and youthful energy to Capital One, a financial institution seeking to connect with a diverse audience. Appealing to a wider audience, Taylor Swift's fan base spans various age groups and demographics. By associating with her, Capital One positions itself as a brand that resonates with a broad spectrum of customers. Blending entertainment with finance. The collaboration creates a unique blend of entertainment and finance, making the traditionally serious world of credit cards more approachable and engaging for consumers. Enhanced brand recognition. Taylor Swift's global recognition enhances Capital One's brand visibility, especially among younger consumers who may be entering the financial landscape for the first time. The synergy between Taylor Swift and Capital One opens doors to new possibilities, transforming the narrative around finance and making it more accessible to a wider audience. Beyond the surface-level appeal, Taylor Swift's partnership with Capital One aligns with a shared commitment to promoting financial literacy. In recent years, Taylor has been vocal about the importance of financial education, particularly among young adults. This collaboration provides a platform to amplify that message. Educational initiatives. Taylor Swift and Capital One can collaborate on initiatives that promote financial literacy, offering valuable resources and insights to their shared audience. Empowering the next generation. Through joint campaigns and educational content, the partnership can empower the next generation to make informed financial decisions, fostering a sense of responsibility and independence. Breaking down complexities. Taylor Swift's ability to simplify complex topics through her storytelling can be leveraged to demystify financial concepts, making them more accessible to a wider audience. In essence, Taylor Swift and Capital One have the potential to go beyond mere collaboration and become advocates for financial education, inspiring positive change in the lives of their followers. One of the exciting aspects of Taylor Swift's partnership with Capital One lies in the potential for creative campaigns and exclusive experiences. Leveraging Taylor's creative prowess, the collaboration can offer unique and memorable experiences to cardholders. Limited edition merchandise. Collaborative merchandise featuring Taylor Swift's iconic style combined with Capital One branding can become highly sought after collector's items. Concert and events. Exclusive access to Taylor Swift concerts, meet and greets, or special events could be offered as perks to Capital One cardholders, creating a sense of exclusivity and excitement. Interactive digital content. Taylor's storytelling abilities can be harnessed for interactive digital content, such as behind-the-scenes glimpses into her life or creative processes, providing cardholders with a more intimate connection. This innovative approach not only enhances the overall cardholder experience, but also solidifies the collaboration as a dynamic and mutually beneficial partnership. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Taylor Swift's partnership with Capital One may be driven by shared values, particularly in the realm of social impact and philanthropy. Supporting charitable causes. Collaborative efforts in supporting charitable causes can amplify the impact of both Taylor Swift's philanthropic endeavours and Capital One's commitment to social responsibility. Community engagement. The partnership can extend beyond traditional marketing to foster community engagement. By aligning with shared values, they can create positive change on a broader scale. Environmental initiatives. Both Taylor Swift and Capital One may share a commitment to environmental sustainability. Collaborative initiatives focusing on eco-friendly practices and responsible consumerism can be a driving force behind the partnership. By weaving social impact into their collaboration, Taylor Swift and Capital One can create a narrative of purpose and shared responsibility, resonating with consumers who value brands that contribute positively to society. At first glance, the collaboration between Taylor Swift and Capital One, and especially the Capital One Venture X card, may seem like an unusual pairing. However, the key lies in the power of alignment, aligning the values, messaging, and target audience of Taylor Swift with the innovative features of the Capital One Venture X card. Targeting the modern explorer. The Capital One Venture X card is designed for the modern explorer, someone seeking new experiences and adventures. Taylor Swift's global influence, coupled with her penchant for storytelling, resonates with individuals who aspire to explore the world. Symbiosis of creativity and finance. Taylor Swift, known for her creative prowess, finds a canvas in the Capital One Venture X card. The card becomes an extension of her artistic expression, embodying the spirit of exploration and discovery that she often portrays in her music. Connecting with the audience. The alignment with the Capital One Venture X card allows Taylor Swift to connect with her audience in a new way, offering them not just music but a lifestyle choice that mirrors the spirit of her songs. Through this alignment, Taylor Swift is not just endorsing a credit card, she's telling a story that resonates with her audience, creating a unique synergy that goes beyond the traditional boundaries of celebrity endorsements. Tailored experiences and exclusive perks. One of the key reasons Taylor Swift appreciates the Capital One Venture X card lies in the tailored experiences and exclusive perks it offers, aligning perfectly with her values and lifestyle. Personalized travel rewards. The Capital One Venture X card provides personalized travel rewards, allowing cardholders to curate their journeys based on their preferences. For someone like Taylor Swift, whose life is a constant whirlwind of tours and events, having a card that adapts to her travel needs is invaluable. Exclusive access. Taylor Swift's collaboration with the Capital One Venture X card opens the door to exclusive experiences, from VIP concert access to curated travel packages. These perks enhance her lifestyle and resonate with the exclusivity often associated with her brand. Seamless redemption. The user-friendly interface of the Capital One Venture X card, especially in terms of reward redemption, aligns with Taylor Swift's commitment to providing her audience with seamless, enjoyable experiences. This resonates with her ethos of making life's adventures as accessible and enjoyable as possible. Through this collaboration, Taylor Swift not only enjoys the perks of the Capital One Venture X card, but also extends those benefits to her audience, creating a shared experience of exploration and delight. Fostering financial independence and education. Beyond the surface-level glamour, Taylor Swift's appreciation for the Capital One Venture X card stems from its role in fostering financial independence and education. Empowering users. The card empowers users to take control of their finances while enjoying the perks of travel and adventure. This aligns with Taylor Swift's advocacy for personal empowerment, especially among her younger audience. Supporting financial literacy. Taylor Swift, known for her advocacy for education, sees the collaboration as an opportunity to contribute to financial literacy. By associating with a card that promotes responsible financial choices, she contributes to the financial education of her audience. Encouraging smart spending. The Capital One Venture X card encourages smart spending through its reward structure and features. Taylor Swift, in aligning herself with this card, sends a message of making wise financial choices while enjoying the fruits of hard work and success. Through this collaboration, Taylor Swift becomes not just a face for a credit card, but a voice advocating for financial responsibility and education, contributing to the broader goal of fostering financial literacy. The art of collaboration beyond endorsement. Taylor Swift's partnership with Capital One Venture X goes beyond a traditional endorsement. It's a strategic collaboration that involves creativity, mutual respect, and shared goals. Creating input in marketing campaigns. Taylor Swift, known for her involvement in her brand partnerships, likely has a creative hand in shaping marketing campaigns for the Capital One Venture X card. This could involve conceptualizing visuals, crafting narratives, and ensuring the campaigns align with her artistic vision. Music and brand integration. Given Taylor Swift's background in music, there's potential for unique integration of her songs and performances into Capital One Venture X card campaigns. This could create a memorable and emotionally resonant connection between the brand and its audience. Strategic planning for long-term success. The collaboration suggests a long-term partnership where both parties are invested in each other's success. This isn't a fleeting endorsement, but a strategic alignment that benefits both Taylor Swift and Capital One in the long run. This level of collaboration speaks to a deeper connection, where Taylor Swift is not merely endorsing a product, but actively contributing to its success through her creative insights and influence. As we conclude our exploration into the partnership of Taylor Swift and Capital One, it becomes clear that this collaboration is more than just a celebrity endorsement. It's a strategic alignment of values, a fusion of entertainment with finance, and a commitment to empowering the next generation. Taylor Swift's influence, combined with Capital One's financial expertise, creates a synergy that extends beyond marketing campaigns and promotional materials. It's a partnership poised to leave a lasting impact on the world of music and finance. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more intriguing insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Credit Card Central signing off. Until next time, stay tuned for more stories that bridge the worlds of creativity and commerce.